Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Auto Expert. Today we're diving deep into the Chevrolet Equinox. Is it a refresh of an old favorite or a completely new contender in the compact SUV market? Let's find out. The Equinox has always been a staple in the compact SUV segment. Stepping inside, the Equinox offers a cabin. Under the hood, we can expect Chevrolet has a reputation for building reliable and efficient powertrains, and we anticipate the Equinox to be no exception. The ride is. Now, let's talk price. Without official pricing information, it's tough to give an exact figure. However, considering its segment and competition, we estimate the Equinox to be priced in the ballpark. This puts it in line with other popular compact SUVs. So, what sets the Equinox apart? Well, Chevrolet has always been strong in terms of. We expect the Equinox to continue this legacy. Additionally, mention any unique selling points or features you've heard about. Overall, the Chevrolet Equinox looks to be a solid contender in the compact SUV market. It offers a blend of style, comfort, and performance. We're excited to see how it stacks up against the competition. Stay tuned for our in-depth test drive review where we'll put the Equinox through its paces.